Michael and Kathleen Coughlin, they just bought a house out on the lake.
They're friends of ours. We have known them for a long time now. They're also friends with my brother, Matt. I mean, they're just a really great family.
Oh, wow.
It's really cool.
Hi.
Hey, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hello.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Yay. Doesn't even matter what the house looks like because you're right on the lake,
true,
right?
right?
My name's Michael Coughlin. This is my wife, Kathleen, and we recently purchased a home in Bella Vista on Lake Windsor. We've really been looking in Bella Vista area for, I'd say, the past 10 years for a lake home. It's just a wonderful lake. It's a beautiful area. We actually found out about this house through some family friends before it hit the market. So we're currently carrying 2 notes on 2 homes, which is a little bit stressful, but the market is just crazy, and we knew the time was right for us to purchase this house.
What we love about the house is it's a great flat lot. The view's amazing, but the house is a little bit dated. This house was built in 1980.
Probably hasn't been touched since it was built, so a lot of work to be had.
So what do you guys have to spend on this project?
So we have about $270,000 set aside to update quite a bit.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, we can definitely do a lot with that budget.
Great.
Okay. Let's talk about out here.
We want to entertain, so a little more space in the front yard for parking.
Maybe a circle drive.
Okay.
I would like to change the color.
Do you want to go lighter, darker?
I
Do you
prefer
want...
to go darker.
Oh, okay,
something
cool.
dark.
Yeah, a little more modern.
Yeah,
Okay.
something a bit more modern. If we could lose the brick or paint it, I wouldn't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so out here, we need a nice big circle drive so you can invite everyone over. And then I think the front of your house needs to hold its own against your amazing views. So we're gonna paint this house dark, add in a new front door, new lights, and new landscaping. And just kind of spruce up the entryway to make it really beautiful.
I love it.
Yeah?
Great.
Sounds great.
Okay, let's go in. Well, here we are, look at this.
Yeah. It's very dated.
It is. It's a
very
little
dated.
dated.
But oh my gosh, look at that.
The view
That's
is
what's-
amazing.
All right, let's start here.
Kitchen.
This feels like a good spot. This definitely feels closed off from the rest of the space. Yeah.
If there's a way that we can open the kitchen up a bit, that would be wonderful.
And I'm going to assume there's nothing you want to keep.
It all can go. I'd love to have a big island. The
Yeah.
kids can sit at the island and
Right.
have dinner together, and we'll use this house for entertaining, so we'll just need a lot of space.
So what about the look and feel?
I'd love either all dark kitchen or an all white kitchen.
Oh, okay. As far as opening it up, what about if we get rid of this wall, get rid of that wall, and then just scooch the door over and steal this space for the kitchen?
That'd
Yeah,
be
it's a
great.
lot.
And then, my goodness gracious, we have to open this up, right? Like,
Yes.
this is amazing. You have screens here, which is really nice, having a screen-in porch, but would you be okay with making this actual living space and swapping out screens for windows?
Yeah.
That would be great.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We need to maximize kitchen space. So we're gonna get rid of this wall, scoot your front door over, bump your kitchen over. Then we're gonna open up this wall so that you'll have more living space. It'll be a nice, huge dining room with this amazing view of the lake. So over here, we'll do new custom cabinets, countertops, and then have a nice big island. We'll use modern cabinet hardware, add some fun lights, and then we'll make it a beautiful dark kitchen, or maybe a white kitchen. We'll surprise you.
Yeah, sounds wonderful.
All the things.
All right. What about over here?
It'd be nice if we can do something with the fireplace.
It's just awkward.
Yeah, sitting in the corner, it does take up a lot of space.
So if we scooched it here, probably need to get rid of that window.
I'm fine with that because it just goes straight into our
it,
neighbors.
Yeah.
What about floors?
A hardwood would be nice.
Okay.
Okay.
This staircase makes me a little nervous.
Definitely not safe.
So the plan for the living room is we're gonna move your fireplace, center it up on the wall, and we'll add a gas insert so you can have a fire with the flip of a switch. Hardwood that will be consistent throughout the whole first floor. We'll raise up this handrail, place it with something a little more modern, and most importantly, safe for your kids.
Sounds
Awesome.
great.
Okay,
Yeah.
what's next?
The main suite.
Down this hallway. Okay, what are you thinking in here?
Maybe open up the room a bit more. It'd be nice to kind of have like a main area for us.
Okay. And what's this room next door?
I think
Kind
it
of,
was an
yeah.
office. We weren't really sure what we wanted to do with this space.
Could we take this room and make this part of this suite?
I really like that. Either part of our bedroom or a potential closet.
Oh, I love
any
that.
way that we can kind of open up the space.
Okay. We steal the space from next door, create a big main suite here, and then we can create a bathroom for you guys that feels like a spa and it's light and beautiful.
Yeah.
Sounds wonderful.
All right, let's go to Lake. All right.
All right, let's do it.
This is a nice
right.
deck.
It's a great space.
What do you want to see out here?
I'm the cook, so I think it'd be great to have a kitchen space, an area to get out of the house and entertain.
And does it make sense to have the exit down here versus over here? You just flow right out and it's a little less steep for your kiddos?
That would be great.
I agree.
All right, so we are going to just create a little outdoor entertaining space. So we'll have some space to grill, we'll have a table. Really just want to make this usable for you guys all the time, because this is where you're going to spend most of your time, honestly.
Exactly.
Joe and I are going to start getting at this kitchen. Matt and Case are tearing down this fireplace. The space is giant. There is so much that we have to do.
Okay, so I really want to push that wall back. My question is, can we do that? Because is this supporting? I feel like it might be.
Let me get up in the attic. We'll see what we're looking at up there.
Okay,
The trusses run this way.
okay.
So that means any wall that goes this way, side to side on the house, we can take out.
Okay. But we don't
This
need to do
wall
that. We
and
need
this
to.
wall, they're supporting walls.
So we cannot take out that wall between the bedroom and the office.
Come in, come in. So,
Yes.
how would you react if I said, Jenny Mars, your closet doesn't start from right here. It starts from all the way over here. And this is your closet. We do a nice big opening here. We can do this giant, like built-in shoe storage.
I agree. Then we have storage around, island, and then you just enter there from the main bedroom. So I was originally thinking, since Michael and Kathleen had said they didn't need that office next door, I would steal some space to give them a bigger main bedroom and still a nice size walk-in closet. But new plan, okay? We can't move the wall. So instead, we're gonna just turn that whole room into a really big, really amazing walk-in closet. I think the bedroom is still a decent size, it really is. And now they just get a bigger closet, which I would rather have a bigger closet, honestly, anyway. So I think it will work out for the best. This is a big job. I mean, there's a lot of details. There's a lot of decisions to be made to get this house finished. So now that the crew is done with the main bathroom demo, we can start working on their new spa-inspired bathroom. We're replacing the old screens with custom glass so that the new dining room will capture every inch of that amazing view. And we've moved over the front door in order to maximize the footprint of the new custom kitchen. Outside, we're ripping up the old driveway to make room for the new circular drive that will have plenty of space for Michael and Kathleen's guests. We finally got that old awkward fireplace out, and now we're installing a new fireplace in a spot that will actually make sense. We're just gonna sheetrock the actual fireplace, and then I want you to build like a little wood hearth floating bench that goes across this whole wall.
Okay.
Functional,
Yeah,
fun,
fun.
stylish. Just made that up on the spot.
That's good, that's good.
So good. Tagline. We're removing the old deck railing to make way for new steps that will give the Cochrans easier access to the lake. We're also installing a metal handrail that fits with this home's new modern aesthetic. In the dining room, we're adding tongue and groove boards in order to give some character to the space. And premium white oak flooring is being installed to the entire main floor just in time for kitchen cabinets to arrive. Hey, Frank.
Hi, Jenny. Hi, Dave.
Okay, so we're here to make a door.
Okay.
So it's a modern lake house. It's not super crazy modern, but it's not super traditional. It's kind of right in the middle there.
So we could do a pivot door.
Ooh, I like that. That could be cool. So it's gonna be a steel and glass door that has a pivot hinge, just really unique
cool.
and different.
Can I help you?
Let's make one.
All right.
Start right here. Don't go back so far, but keep your nozzle close.
Yeah, that feels a lot better.
So cool. Look, it's still smoking. It's smoking hot.
It's gonna be smoking hot when we put it in. It's like you.
Super cool. I love it. We only have a few days to finish things up before we reveal this massive lake home transformation to Michael and Kathleen. And we're trying to make every detail feel as custom and high-end as possible. So, a new metal handrail is being installed in the living room. Not only does it complement the metal front door, but it's also safe for the Coughlins twins. We're painting the kitchen cabinets a shade of black, and we're installing a matching black backsplash. Top-of-the-line appliances are going in, along with a standout brass faucet that really pops against the dark cabinets and countertops. We're adding modern cabinet hardware, gorgeous new lighting above the island and in the dining room. In the hidden bar, white subway tile adds contrast against the black cabinet base. And in the main bedroom, a dark grass cloth wallpaper is going up to make this space feel sophisticated and cozy.
These longer bulbs, I think, oh yeah, make the difference.
Oh, it looks so
You like
good.
it?
Yeah, I love it.
It was such a big project.
It was so outdated when we first got here. It was closed off. Now the whole house just feels so much bigger, so much more open, so much brighter. Even with the black kitchen, which I love, love, love. And it's giant. Remember how little it was before?
Well, usually black makes it so closed in, but it's not at all.
No, it's amazing.
From taking a small closet and bathroom and transforming it into a spa-like main bathroom retreat, to taking an unused room and creating a mega closet. We pretty much gutted and redid the entire main floor and completely reimagined the exterior on this 2,600 square foot house for just $270,000 in just 2 months.
And to see it all finally come together, they're not gonna know which view to look at. House or the lake.
I think we're good. All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Rounding the corner. Oh my gosh! Oh! It looks amazing! Oh, the circle drive!
Oh my gosh, Kathleen, it's beautiful.
This is insane!
Yay!
It's amazing.
We tried to keep it very natural, but modern. You had asked us to paint the exterior a dark color, so I had debated painting it black. And in Bella Vista, you can't actually use black, the color black, because of all the ordinances. So I had to go with a... It's perfect. It's like a charcoal.
Yes,
Thank you. I love it. I actually feel like it was a happy accident because I actually like it better than the black. Because it helps
I think I do too.
showcase the door.
I really do too.
Good. Okay, good.
Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful.
You like copper?
I love them.
So Dave made them out of real copper, and then he also worked with Frank to weld this door, so it's a steel door.
Wow.
I like that you can see through it, actually.
I know.
I do too.
Yeah.
Ah!
Holy
Is that door cool? Oh my gosh.
What in the world did you do to this place?
This is better than I ever could have imagined.
Oh my God, you guys. Yep, she likes it.
She likes it. I more than like it.
Oh man. This is wild. Absolutely wild.
Remember, this was the screened-in porch. It was separate, so now it's part of the house. I mean, that was kind of wasted space before, so now
Yeah.
it just flows really nicely.
The wood floor
And
is
the light
gorgeous,
wood
too.
floor.
Yeah.
Floors are beautiful.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. I love it.
That wallpaper is really cool.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
This was the other room,
This
right?
was the weird room. We didn't know what to do with.
Much better usage
Just
of
better?
space.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
This is cool. This is the biggest open shower I've ever
This is
seen in my life.
awesome.
So we had 2 rooms. You had your existing bathroom and your closet, and we combined those spaces to make one giant bathroom.
Oh my goodness. Well, this has changed quite a bit.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
We wanted the outdoor kitchen, so you are ready to go.
You guys can do it all.
You know, you had the staircase that went down
Yes.
here, so we got rid of this staircase.
Oh, yeah.
And then now you have some handrails, so it's safe, because this was a giant drop-off, which was scary with the kids. I didn't like that. And then you have the steps down to go right out to the lake. I mean, that's the whole reason you're here.
Stunning.